How to create a Telegram poll. Open the Telegram app. Go to the group. Click on Share option. Here, click on Poll. Here, enter your information. Write a question. Now write an answer as option. Also write another answer. Now select the type you want. I chooses anonymous voting. If you chose this, you are not able to see the name and data of voter. Also, I want it to multiple answer. Click on Create. Your poll is created successfully. For the next poll, do the same. Now I chooses quiz mode. Poll a question. And write the answers. Mark the right answer. Click on Create. You can see your two polls are created with different categories. That is how you can create multiple polls on Telegram. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.